Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different than my normal videos. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I kind of talked about this a little bit. Kind of want to mix it up a little bit, do a little bit of beauty still, of course, because that's like my passion. But I also want to do some lifestyle cleaning, like home decor, home organization, like clothing hauls, all kinds of that stuff too. Because I also love doing those things too. I think I'm always redecorating my house and I'm like always decluttering and organizing. So I thought I would give one of these videos a shot and kind of see how it goes. So it's gonna be like a vlog style kind of. I don't really know how it's gonna go, but my cabinet's open behind me and you can see that it's like a disaster. That's literally my snack cabinet and it used to like pretty much have nothing in it. And well, that's obviously changed. So I'm going to go through and declutter and organize and whatever. I'm also going to say I don't claim to be the healthiest eater and snacker, and neither does my boyfriend. So we don't have all like soy and gluten-free and whatever. No, we have like some healthy stuff, but also some not healthy stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna go through and kind of wipe the counters down, empty everything out of the cabinet, and then kind of go through everything, see what I can keep, see what I don't, and see what I've got. I have like a few stackable shelves, some baskets, all that good stuff, so we're gonna see how that goes. But I figured I'd take you guys along with me because I love watching these videos so much, and that's pretty much all I've been watching lately, and I figured I would try and make my own and see how it goes. We're gonna get going and jump right into it and let's see how this goes. So as you can see, I've tried at one time to be organized in my cabinet, and I put like all of our bars and stuff in here. I don't really know what happened, to be honest. It just obviously didn't really work out for me. I have another one of these baskets that I'm going to try and pull out. It's in my cabinet under the bathroom though, so I don't know about that, but we're going to try and see kind of what we can do. But yeah, no, there was effort there at least, right? You wanna go outside? You go potty? Okay. so I figured while we were in the kitchen, I would do my Lazy Susan. There's a lot of stuff in here, and I don't really know what to do with it. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, and look at the poor baby with his comb. Oh. Oh. He's had it on for 10 days already, but his stitches are like still not healed, so I'm leaving it on him. Like, I don't know what else to do, but I'm kind of sad for him, but that's okay. That's okay, right? Yeah. He's handling it like a champ, and he's gotten really good at like not running into like the walls and stuff, but he's definitely still running into my ankles, and he still has a lot of energy, as you can see. That really hasn't changed. Hi. So I figured I'd take you along into the Lazy Susan with me, and while we were in the kitchen, we would just reorganize and declutter all of that, because a lot of stuff that was in the snack cabinet, a lot of stuff that was in the snack cabinet is like couscous and quinoa and stuff that I had to take out of the snack cabinet to make room for everything that was sitting on the counter. So I'm gonna try to make room for it all in the Lazy Susan now. So I figured I'd take you with me. And I thought I would mention, this is when the coronavirus is like at its like peak of everything shutting down and everything, and everyone like panic buying. So I had to go to the store yesterday and buy so many, like, or like not so many. I bought what we needed, obviously. There's just 2 of us, but like I bought food because if we are on quarantine, I'm literally not going to have like anything because there's nothing left in the stores. Like frozen foods, there was no fresh foods when I went to the grocery store yesterday. There was like plenty of produce, but produce will only last me so long. So, hi. So we got like some frozen meals and then some like canned stuff. I have like a bunch of canned corn, some canned tomato sauce, some rice stuff. Just easy things that like I don't need fresh ingredients to make, which I have a hard time with. Like I love to have a vegetable every single night with our meal, but like even all the frozen vegetables were pretty much gone. I have like 3 things in it. So we don't always have this much food. Like this is excessive right now, but I didn't know what else to do because everyone else was buying everything else. And I was like, okay, well, if I don't even have groceries in my house. So like I needed what we usually need. You know what I mean? But people were leaving with the most wild amounts of stuff in their carts. It was insane to me. It was so crazy. I'm like, just buy what you need. Like, or I don't know. I guess we won't know if they overreacted or if I underreacted until this is all over. But I just feel like buy what you need for like 2 weeks and then go from there. I mean, they're not going to let us starve. Like, I don't know. Anyway, that's a whole different topic. I just wanted to let you know, I don't always have this much crap in my cupboards. This is when a pantry would really come in handy, like in my own house, you know? All right, you guys, so everything in the pantry is gone through, the little lazy Susan. It's all organized and nice and pretty now. I hope you guys liked this little change of pace and switch up. Let me know down in the comments if you did and what you guys want to see next from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.